What's up guys, welcome to this new video. Today we are gonna take a look at this bad guy right there. If you're here, you already know that this isn't a normal computer. Indeed, I have installed macOS Mojave on it. I think this is a very good choice if you need to do video editing or graphic works in general. So let's now see what's inside of it. Starting from the case, this is a Master Box 3.1. And yes, I should definitely add some LEDs. Anyway, as you can see, there is a RX 580, 8 gigs of video memory, while that horrible thing over there is an i5 6500 with its stock heatsink. Moving on to the RAM, I've got 8 gigs of DDR4 memory, 2400 MHz, which I'll soon upgrade to 16 gigs. So, of course, this isn't the greatest PC ever made, but I'm here today to show you that if you decide to install macOS on it, you can really squeeze every single component. Of course, remember that we are talking about graphic or video editing works on programs like Final Cut or at least DaVinci Resolve. You should also know that Hackintosh isn't the most stable solution out there, but in 3 years of Hackintoshing, I have never found any big bug. And also nowadays, with all the Kext and patches, you can build a Hackintosh which is pretty similar to a real Mac. I also use all my USB 3 and USB Type-C ports, as well as the Bluetooth with my AirPods, thanks to this little dongle right here. Okay, and now we know that this is a very stable machine, but how does it perform? Well, I've done quite a few tests and here's the results. So, in conclusion, am I telling you to buy an i5 6500 paired with a RX 580 and a VS 450 watts? Of course not, except for the RX 580, which is still a great card. I just wanted to show you how you can have very good performances with a quite poor hardware like mine. Anyway, I've linked down in the description a list of components which you can use to buy a very great Hackintosh, as well as Tony Mac x86, a very good website which you can use to choose your components for your Hackintosh, obviously, and you can also find a very good forum. I've also linked my EFI partition so that if you have the same hardware as mine, you can use it. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, you know what to do, and please consider subscribing because, as you probably heard, English isn't my main language and it is very difficult for me to make these kind of videos. So again, I hope you liked this video and let's see you later.